My name is Sige Joshua, CEO and co-founder Akaboxi. Akaboxi is a digital solution that enables smallholder farmers, especially women, youth, and rural communities to manage and monitor their savings together. Akaboxi has been designed to support women and youth who have been excluded, especially when it comes to monetary things like savings, accessing financial services. So for us, the way we promote sustainability is by coming in and giving them this device that enables them to save together and be able to, as a community, come together and borrow from each other. So they create a pool of money where they save and they borrow from each other. This enables the women to be empowered and be able to have extra sources of income apart from where they're making money from, but they can be able now to tap into access from credit from the savings that other members have also contributed together. Akaboxi has been built with a design thinking perspective. Currently or originally, people used to save using books and pens where they write how much someone has brought for savings and they're capturing the loans. But Akaboxi has come in to digitalize the process. So we're building already an existing kind of structure that is existing in these saving groups where women, youth meet on a weekly basis in groups of about 20 members. And we come in, we digitalize by replacing the books with our device, and every individual member is given a unique identification card that they use during the transaction process of saving and borrowing. And this makes it very transparent for every individual, more secure, and even quicker and faster in terms of the saving process that is involved. Our box has been designed such that we work with rural communities, but these people that are saving together are the same people that are making up the largest population in the country and also in the sub-Saharan region. So we know that these groups are more than 50,000 just in Uganda, and they're above 1 million in the sub-Saharan region. So apart from just the local setting, we're able to scale up to a global scale whereby we're targeting these individuals that are saving together and being able to borrow from each other so that they can be able to meet their needs and also tap into the extra financial services that they're being left out from. Akaboxi has been designed using technology, and we use a device that is a software application that has been designed to run on a point-of-sale device as well as a smartphone. So we're using technology as a digital tool to be able to tap into the saving groups and be able to include them in the financial inclusion perspective of accessing financial services. So in terms of digital inclusion, we use technology and we're making sure that every woman and youth that are being excluded out there are now included in the digital world.